This is a quick video to show you how to build the Pancake Caduceus Coil. Apologies for the background noise with the printer, but this is a rather spontaneous video here. So I just wanted to show you how to wind the coil so you can experiment with it. An example of how not to wind it is like this. So we don't want so this one was one that I did in a rush, and it's just not good at all. It really should look like this. You can see the difference. The wine here are spaced out, and those here, the wine are really thick. This is not how it should be done, and so I figured out I might as well just show you how to build it. And this is another one here that has been built properly, so I'll just remove the light bulb out of the way. So this is also a good one, and you can see they are identical. So this is the right way to wind the Pancake Caduceus Coil, and you can see the one that I wound in the rush is completely wrong. So this is not the right way to do it, but this is the right way to do it, and I'll show you exactly how is the right way to do it. So I started at the top here, and you can see I just put a dab of glue. If you can see, just a dab of glue here, and I just rolled the wire, really just like a pigtail, really, just to keep it out of the way. And then what I did is I did it this way. So there's two single wires from each from a separate spool of wire. So I've got two spool of wire, 0.355 milli. So I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so the way to do it is they always go opposite side, but the way I'm doing it is the one at the top, this top wire here, it goes down and then up. And then here I stop, and then I grab the other wire and I go down and up. And so what happened is the outer wire in here, if I go down and up, actually goes also on the inside, so they're twisted in multiple ways. So not only they're crossing at that junction here, but also they are changing order. So if I go down and up, so this one used to be the second wire, now it's the first wire. So you see this one is on the outside, that's I call it the second wire because it's on the outside. So if I go down and up, now it's the nearest to the other spool, or the rim, if you like, that has the wires on it. And then I carry on again, so I go down and up, and then I grab the next wire and I go down and up. So that's how it looks like this, you see. But this coil here, the reason why I want it in the rush is I did it a slightly different way. I just crossed the wires really quickly, and what happened is they are just piling up a lot. I had some really good questions, so thank you for people who commented on my videos, and constructive questions, so I appreciate that. One of them was it'd be interesting to put a scope on that and look a bit at the coil. And so what I did is I actually tested the resonance frequency of that coil. I'll show you in another video how to test the resonance frequency of the coil. But when I tested the resonance frequency of this coil is at 3.96 megahertz. When we wind a coil, we need to think about what is the resonance frequency we're looking for, because I think, like a lot of people have been saying, we're looking for resonance frequency. So everything has a resonance frequency. A human body has a resonance frequency. A rock has a resonance frequency. Everything has a resonance frequency. So when we wind the coil, we're looking for a resonance frequency, and we need to figure out what we want before we actually put it on the frame. But for this coil, the testing was actually valuable because I figured out its resonance frequency. And I'll make a video next time to show how to figure out the resonance frequency of a coil. You can figure out the resonance frequency of a transformer, of a coil, in the same process. So I'll make it in the next video, but I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to build this.